Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install TunnelBear VPN on your PC. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. First, open the web browser on your computer, like Chrome or Firefox. Click on the address bar at the top and type in tunnelbear.com and then press Enter. This will take you to the official TunnelBear website. Once the page loads, look for a prominent button that says Get TunnelBear or Download and click on it. You'll now see the different subscription plans they offer. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the free version. Find and click the button that says Try for free. The download for the Windows setup file will now begin automatically. Once the download is finished, you need to find the file on your computer. It will most likely be in your Downloads folder. Look for a file named something like tunnelbearsetup.exe. When you find it, double-click on it to run the installer. The TunnelBear Setup Wizard will now open. It will ask you to confirm where you want to install the software. For most users, it's perfectly fine to just stick with the default location it suggests. Click the Install button to proceed. The installation process will now run, and this should only take a minute or so. You'll see a progress bar indicating how it's going. Once it's completely finished, you can click Finish, and the TunnelBear application will launch. When you open TunnelBear for the first time, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly within the app by following the simple on-screen instructions. After you log in, you'll see the main screen, which features a large on-off switch and a map of the world. To connect to a VPN server, you can simply click the switch to turn it on. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server. If you want to choose a specific country, click on the map or select a location from the list on the left. Once you've picked a country, click the Connect button to establish a secure connection. And that's it! You're now connected and your internet traffic is secured by TunnelBear. While TunnelBear is a great and simple option for getting started with a VPN, if you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free.